let's do some unboxing. So this unboxing, I was contemplating, should I not, right? So I'll be doing this unboxing. I'm expecting someone. I hope the person is not around. Okay, let's see. Let's see what I'll just be showing you guys. I don't tire. Okay. Now, I shopped, but most of the things let me say everything I got, I didn't get anything for myself. So I got it from my mom because I feel I have clothes, I have shoes, I have clothes I'm yet to wear. The labels are still there. I have shoes. So I'm this person, I don't want to just spend unnecessarily, right? So anytime I get to buy things, just know that I have something coming up, right? Maybe vacation or have an occasion. So I don't just buy because I'm an indoor girl. All right, I like this. This is Old Navy. I like this. The texture is given. It is giving. I like this. It's not mine, but then again, I saw this and suggested this. This is for my sister. So, like I told you, you can also tell me to help you make suggestions when it comes to selecting outfits. And how do you guys do it? Go and rub cream. So of course, we fell in love with Under Armour. There are so many other brands, but then again, it's like it's an Under Armour season. I can tell you when I was in a lift, almost everybody was wearing Under Armour top, shoes, like sneakers, the shorts, and I was looking. My sister was like, she she was the only person not wearing, like almost everybody. So I think this is the season everybody's just going crazy about Under Armour. And in fact, you have beautiful tops, nice tops, sports bra, nice jeggings. So this is an Under Armour sneakers, and like I told you, this is not mine, this is my sister. So she's also cut the fever. So I love this. This is gray. This can go with anything. I love the sole. Let me see if I can bring it close to the camera. I love the sole. It's nice, and this would be very comfortable. So what else? I'm feeling reluctant doing this. Okay, I got these shoes. This is what we call the naked flats. This is naked. Now I see a lot of ladies going crazy about the flat shoe that has net. Now I won't lie to you. I've been doing something similar but different, way different, and I love the ones I'm doing. It's not the regular. Yes, I'm irregular. So this is a transparent one. This is nice, and like I told you, it's not for me. This is for my mom. Okay, I didn't get anything for everything I got that I paid for is not for me. So I decided to just buy enough for me because all right, this is a jacket, a varsity jacket from Guess. This is a leather jacket. And this is for the man of the house. This is nice. I love this. My husband loves jackets. So let's see. My husband has never done red color. In fact, he'll tell you, please, anything red. He likes gray and black. But he just had to do this one because it's very cute. It's very cute. And we all know summer can just speed up. Winter feels like the days are slow. So of course, you don't just summer is not only the period where you get to look good. Also winter, you need to look good, right? So this is nice. He did this one. The texture, this is leather, and this is a different kind of fabric. I wish you can feel it, but I'm sorry, we're on camera, except you come to my house. And so we did the selection, of course. I remember when we were going to get him stuff, he was like, follow me, because say now you go help me select, right? Yeah, yeah. And this is another one, another black leather jacket. This is nice. I love the design, the simplicity, but then again, it's giving class. I love the zip here. Very simple, not busy. Yeah. And it's making sense. What do we have here? Oh, okay. This is an Under Armour polo shirt. Okay, I didn't know. I don't know about this. I wasn't there when this one was bought. So I'm bearing no false witness. Okay. Of course, your socks. despite the fact that you wear it on your feet, right? Respect the feet, the leg, the feet that steps in places, in big places, right? Places that matters. Under Armour, yeah, I love it. So when it shoots out from the ankle part of your shoe, they're seeing the brand. Okay, let's see what do we have here again. This is Under Armour, but now this one is what's the name again? Is it Curry? Yeah, this is Curry. Okay, this is Curry Under Armour, but Curry. That's why you see you have the Under Armour logo. I'm sorry, I cannot get up. And you have the Curry logo. So yeah, this is for Ethan. I know you must be wondering, where's Jojo stuffs? Where are Jojo stuffs? I know here. And what else? The other, but I'm tired. But I just said I must do this unboxing video. Maybe not all, but some. All right, I need to go out. Yes, we're going to our favorite. Our favorite. I've already lured my family into Wendy's, so we're going to our favorite place to go have breakfast. This is no longer breakfast because this is already almost 1 p.m. But we had to hold ourselves so we can go eat.